Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve blood relationship problem. This type of questions are very popular on some entry exams to test your capability to think logically and your IQ. So here's our instructions. Read the following instructions. P $Q means P is a brother of Q. P bar Q means P is a mother of Q, and P asterisk Q means P is a daughter of Q. If the code of the family as follows, who is the father in them? According to our instructions, A bar means P is a mother of Q. In our case, A is a mother of B. So let's write down. So A is a mother of B. So he's a B, and we don't know gender of the B yet. Next, B $C, and $sign means that P is a brother of Q. In our case, B is a brother of C. So now we know the gender, so it have to be a male, and B is a brother of C. And we don't know a gender of C yet. We also know that C asterisk D, that means P asterisk Q means P is a daughter of Q. And in our case, that means C is a daughter of D. So C is a daughter, so she is female. She is a daughter of D. D only can be her father and no one else, because at the beginning we know that A is a mother of B. B is a brother of C, and C is a daughter of D, so it only can be her father. Our question, who is the father in them, and our answer is going to be 1. So D is going to be a father in this family. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.